Hi everyone, this is Susie. First I want to thank everyone for watching my videos and all the love and support I've been getting. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. And if you have any comments or questions about this video, just leave them in the comments section. Today we're going to be talking about croton plants. This is a croton plant. The name of it is a Petra. Crotons are moisture-loving plants. They require weekly or daily watering. The soil should never stay dry for a long period of time, but let the soil dry out before watering to prevent drowning of the plant. If the leaves start to droop, check the soil and water. You can mist the leaves at least once a week. And this has real pretty colors on it. I'll also be talking about lighting and some propagation in this video. For best color development, crotons should get good light, but have some protection from full midday sun. Their color burns out in full sun and hardly develops at all in full shade. Crotons that are kept for indoors need as much light as possible to keep their beautiful colors. Croton plants are tropical plants, which means they thrive in warm and humid conditions. If your croton's leaves fall off, this also means it's exposed to cold or hot conditions, such as an open door or air ducts, and overwatering can damage the roots and cause leaf drop. So just check your plant, to put your finger in there and see if it needs some water, or you can also use a moisture meter. Put your moisture meter down in the plant, and it'll let you know if it needs some water. That's a 3-way meter. And put some moisture around the area, like I have this tabletop waterfall. It adds moisture to my plants. To encourage a bushier plant, snip off the growing tips of each plant. So this one doesn't have too many new growing tips yet, but you can snip off some of the top here, or the leaves. You can also propagate and water. You can also root the plant in soil or water. You can monitor the roots. It should take about 4 weeks to start rooting. You can try a leaf or a branch. So if you pull off, snip off a branch down here, take off the leaves, and you can put it, I prefer water so I can watch the roots grow. And the leaves that you take off this branch, just put in water also. I'll be showing that later on when I propagate, and I'll show you the results of that. And like I said, if you have any questions, just leave in the comments below. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye-bye for now.